management practice. Here, the first management practice talks about an umbrella agreement. So, umbrella agreement is something like of an MOU which is signed between universities, where you would be just signing the agreement, and then there will be many sub projects within the agreement. So, this agreement was signed well before this SLICE team was formed. So, this agreement it is an enabler which showcases the protection of intellectual property and how the company's confidential information would be handled, and also it tells about how the responsibilities would be allocated within the team and how the participation level will be in the team. So this agreement ensured that best practices were shared and all the company's different skills were complementary to each other. So this created an environment of trust, consensus was there, and no subdivisions were created because employees didn't have that fear factor because this agreement was signed, and they had a common budget. So normally when we have teams working from different organizations, budget would be allocated to different teams and they would be working as per the budget. But in this case, it was just a common budget. So it was not siloed, it was a common budget. And this environment also ensured open sharing of ideas. And due to this agreement, which was signed pretty earlier, the SLICE team, when it was initiated, it was just kicked off in a few weeks' time. Normally when projects are initiated, it takes months or even a year to kick off. But since this agreement was signed, it was quite soon. So this was the first best practice that they followed, which is related to strategy. The second one is related to technology. So they had created two specific tools, Internet Notebook and the Project Board. So let's look at the Internet Notebook. It's already shown. So this looks like a mashup between Paint, WordPad, and Notepad, and you can have comments and all those things. Frankly, it looks like a tool which was developed in my grandma's generation, but it was used quite efficiently by these teams. Okay. And this tool, it can be accessed from anywhere, and it has the following features, like you can create, comment on the